Guys, welcome to YouTube. It's Rajesh here from Smart Reviews. So I'm back with another video. It's about the new Google Pixel launcher. So all of you know that the Pixel launcher having the best and finest launcher on Play Store. So you not getting on Play Store because it's only come with the Nexus devices and the new Google Pixel. So if you want the Pixel launcher, then you have to download it from any type of browsers. So it's not supported in all devices. So we all have an issue with the Redmi Note 3 um, on the new Pixel launcher. So today I'm showing you how to get a Pixel makeover on your Redmi Note 3. So let's get started. Even after getting the 6.0 Marshmallow on the Redmi Note 3, we are not access the Pixel launcher on the Redmi Note 3 because it's not our fault. Because of the custom skin on the Redmi Note 3. So today I am giving you a APK file that you can change your Redmi Note 3 with the style of Pixel launcher. So it's not the Pixel launcher, it's the Nova launcher, but it's on Play Store you get that Nova launcher. um, so you get the Nova launcher Prime. So if you want to download it on Play Store, then you have to pay 150 rupees for it. So I'm giving you the link below on the description, so where you can get the app for free. um, After installing the app, I'm showing you what the steps you can easily change your Redmi Note 3 to a Pixel makeover. So follow my steps and download the APK file from the link in the description below. So started. I already downloaded um, the Nova Launcher app. So let's install it. Follow my step carefully and you will get your Pixel makeover. So after installing it, so you have to put the Nova Launcher on it. So next. So after install the Nova launcher, you get the launcher like this. So I am giving you the steps that you can easily change it to the Google Pixel makeover. So started. If you press it, then go to the setting. So first of all you go to the desktop. Then icon layout. So you change the size of the icon to 125. Then back. So after that go to the app and widget. Same, but there changes the icon size to 115%. So after that go down all settled. So back. So then go to desktop, search bar style. So click that and you will find the same like Google Pixel. Put that. So it changes to Google Pixel. So now go to look and feel. So there is, I also giving you the link where you can find the pixel icon style. It is a APK file. You can also download it from the Play Store. So icon theme, change it to pixel icon pack, so it changes. After that, back, then go to the dock, then change the icon size to 115%, a 125%, then back, then you go to the gesture and input, it's same, then you go to the dock, then you change it advanced setting, and so swipe to open. In the app and widget drawer, swipe to open. So in the dock icons, change it to 4, done. Then you check it guys, it fully changes to pixel launcher. So 1 2 3. So guys, you find it changes to the pixel launcher without downloading the pixel launcher. Set. So it is guys, it the pixel makeover, it's same as the pixel launcher, but it Nova launcher. You have to follow my steps, and you get the pixel launcher view on your Redmi Note 3. So guys, follow my steps and download the two APK files. One is the Nova Launcher Prime app from the link, and second is the pixel icon pack. So I'm showing you how you can get it. So go to the Play Store, search pixel icon pack. So that the upper one is the pixel icon pack. You have to download it, it's fully free. So after you download it, follow my steps and you get your pixel look on your Redmi Note 3. So it's too simple, and follow this step. So thank you guys for watching my video. Give a thumbs up if you like that video, and please comment below what I can improve in future in my videos. Thank you guys, see you later.